Alright, look what we got in today. Ooh. This is Skytech gaming desktop. Got this, there we go, got this refurbished, renewed off Amazon. Has a 3060 Ti in it. I think I paid like $1,400 for it, which, given it's a whole build, wasn't too bad. So we're going to open this up and yeah, use it for Bitcoin mining, see what kind of motherboard it came with and other components. So let's take a look. Packing foam, more packing foam. There's the actual tower. We're gonna move this aside. So let's go ahead and sit this up on its side here. Fan filter on the bottom. Not bad actually. Braided cable. Again, being it was refurbished, wasn't really expecting anything out of the ordinary, so power cable. See if we can just lift this up and off here. There we go. Nothing else in that. The box had a keyboard in it as well. Take a quick look at that. Here's the keyboard. Not too bad. Okay. Yeah. Static electricity. So let's see. We've got a fan filter on the top that was kind of off. Oh, it's just magnetic. It just lifts off like that. That's actually kind of nice. So it looks like it's got fan filters on the top and the bottom. Metal case. Well, plastic, I should say, on the front. Glass side. That's nice. I like how that opens like that. Please follow the instructions in your quick start guide. Alright, and now we've got it's got an air cooler. This is where I've been curious what actually it would come with, because I thought it was pictured with a water cooler. So let's carefully... There we go. There is a graphics card, so that's good. Gigabyte GeForce RTX, but that's good. That's a good graphics card. And yes, this is what I was hoping, is it would come with, I don't know if it's the exact motherboard in the picture, but it does have the additional PCIe slots. So I know it's probably a little hard to see, but yeah, it's got another 16x slot for a second graphics card that you can install right in this. But then it has 1, 2, 3, 4. This would have a total of 5 PCIe slots. So we can actually use this motherboard. I'm hoping to be able to drive up to 5 graphics cards, if not maybe more, if I split it. Also had a 1 terabyte M.2, so that was pretty good. I think it's 16 gigs of RAM. So overall, it was a pretty decent computer, actually a good computer just in general. And then the power supply is underneath this bottom box here. It's actually got 2 mounts right here for additional solid-state drives. Good amount of fans. It's got 2 fans in the top, 1 in the back, 1 in the front, so great airflow. I'll take some footage on my phone here. So you can see the 2 fans up there, the rear fan. Big cooler. I think this was a Ryzen CPU, so they definitely do get hot, so it's good that they have a good cooler on it. There's an M.2 SATA, or not SATA, the M.2 storage, 1 terabyte. There's the graphics card, which honestly right now is over half the value of the machine. There's those additional mounts for the SSD drives, and then the power supply is under there. Not super readily accessible, but does provide a great place to hide the extra cords. but maybe at some point we'll use this to build another miner with those additional PCIe slots. And then just a quick look. Here's the top of the case, in case you're interested in buying anything from Skytech, kind of give you an idea of their design. And then here's the back. Built-in wireless, it looks like. Is that what that's going to be? It's weird that there's no antenna. And there's the graphics card ports. So there you have it. So we'll get this thing hooked up. Alright, so here we go. We got a monitor on. There's the current miner. So we've got this as an additional build here. First power on. We've got power. It's a good sign. Our graphics card's lighting up. Let's see what we're getting up here. I did see the BIOS prompt, and it looks like we're loading into Windows. So far, so good. The LEDs are nice on this. I would say, I've been looking at these a long time on Amazon. Just custom built gaming PCs, and they've been looking pretty nice at a decent price. Oh, it's an RGB. I wonder if that's customizable. If that's customizable, that's a good mouse and keyboard. Alright, so gotta get this set up real quick, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so we're actually getting an okay download rate with the built-in wireless to the desktop. Downloading the new graphics drivers there. Just a quick look in Task Manager. This is an i7. For some reason I thought it was the Ryzen CPU, but it is the i7 on this one. It does have the 16 gigs of RAM and the 1 terabyte SSD. And the RTX 3060 Ti. So we're installing the latest drivers for that. And let's go ahead and download our nice hash miner. We can use the quick miner on this card. So we're gonna go ahead and download that. So it is up and running. Overall thoughts on the desktop as far as if you're running something like this for a gaming build. And it's not bad. Especially if you could find it refurbished like this. Less expensive than buying a pre-built from a name brand. And you get the RGB, you get more fans, you get a bigger case, more room to expand. So yeah, overall, pretty impressed with it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more tech videos like these. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.